Awesome. So yeah, Code Farina and Sherlock are awesome, amazing places to. I don't know if to get started, because I would get started if I don't have any experience with Solidity. I would learn first Solidity if it's like crypto zombies or whatever other resources, free resources that are out there. But once I want to actually practice, I can go and throw myself into the water and do like the real stuff without, I don't need to go to interviews, to job applications. It's just open source. It's available for everyone to just come, take a look at the code, find bugs and vulnerabilities, report and get paid on chain. That's another cool thing. So you get paid on chain. And yeah, the prices are insane. Depends on the project. Depends if it's like a big if it's a lot of lines of code or smaller lines of code. Depends of the complexity, and it goes from 10K to sometimes I think even 300K per contest. Right? It was like
Yeah, we had one contest which was $1 million.
1 million.
Which was
What
crazy.
was it? The OpenSea contest or something?
The OpenSea contest, yeah.
Yeah.
A few people got like 200K rewards, so
That's insane.
was wild.
That's insane. From one contest, 200K. This is like an yearly salary of like a very good senior developer, and people make it like in like how many weeks? I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks.
yeah, it was 2 weeks, and people who have been working in IT for like 20 years and have been very good, and even they mastered their craft, but they still are not making as much money for a whole year. While these people, which some of them are very young, they're just people with more free time. They decided to go all into Web3 security, and now they are making those crazy amounts in like less than a month, which is insane.